Well, hello there. I'm Kim Berry from PKN Packaging News. We're reporting from AUSPACK 2022. Today I'm at the Matthews Australasia stand and I'm joined by Matt Nichol. Hi Matt.
Hi Kim, welcome to Matthews stand.
Thank you. And what piece of technology are we looking at today?
Well Kim, we've got a range of innovative technologies that we're displaying at AUSPACK 2022. In particular here we're showing the CO2 laser technology. So CO2 lasers provide you a permanent barcode or permanent date coding, very sustainable. We're not using any inks and solvents to print a permanent code onto food, beverage and packaging technology, packaging substrates.
Right, okay. And that must have major sort of environmental implications as well.
Well, it does. Everyone's all about sustainability. So the key benefit of laser coding is we're removing the inks and solvents from the manufacturing. So certainly customers are looking to to reduce waste, and having inks and solvents out of the production facility is a real key benefit around using laser technology, and that's a real driver for many of our customers moving to this technology. The other key benefit is also the permanent date code and the permanent coding of the technology. So we've implemented a number of laser coders onto infant formula and putting a QR code onto infant formula to provide full traceability through the supply chain and authenticity of the product. So it's been a very exciting time for Matthews with laser.
Absolutely. What else have you got to show us?
Also, secondly, we're very excited to launch the SolarJet 100 watt fibre laser. So talking about sustainability, laser coating onto cans at high speed is typically being done with CO2 with inkjet technology. So again, remove the inks and solvents. The SolarJet laser, this is one of the first in the market that is 100 watts, capable of printing onto 2,000 cans a minute.
Wow. Okay, that's going to have some major ramifications, and in a positive way for beverage manufacturers.
A lot of the high-speed beverage applications where they are printing at 2,000 cans a minute, 24/7, they're looking for reliability. Laser definitely provides that level of reliability, but also removes the need for any inks and solvents onto the production line.
Right. And so we've just seen it in action. What does it look like?
Well, it's a permanent code. You don't get the same contrast you do with sort of painted cardboards. We're using CO2 laser, but this fibre laser technology will give you a permanent date code onto your canned products and give you some great reliability and uptime, because there's no need to change inks or solvents or clean print heads.
Of course. Fantastic. And what else are you going to show me today?
Well, let me take you over and show you some of our integration technology as well, IDSnet.
Matt, I've been walking past this piece of equipment every day since AUSPACK started. You need to tell me all about it.
So Matthews are very proud with our software integration package called IDSnet.
Right.
IDSnet's our package code management software, and what IDSnet's all about is helping eliminate date code labelling and packaging errors. So we're helping manufacturers improve their OEE by eliminating coding and labelling errors.
Right. Can we see it in action?
Absolutely. So this is IDSnet. This is an example of IDSnet which we have on many production lines, where we're connecting the primary coding right through to the tertiary packaging, being a pallet label, and we're making sure that the right date code goes in the right box, and the right box goes on the right pallet with the right barcode. So we're really making sure that the supply chain flows with the pallets as they go through the Woolworths and Coles DC.
Such a critical thing at the moment with supply chain and the challenges facing it at the moment.
Absolutely. The manufacturers after this pandemic or during the pandemic couldn't afford to stop their production lines. They don't have the time or the resource to do a lot of rework. So Matthews are really helping our customers eliminate waste and actually improve their OEE totally. So IDSnet, if I could just give you a quick run through on IDSnet. IDSnet's a central database, so the printers have become simple terminals. There are actually no messages stored on the actual printer itself. All of the meshes are stored on a central server, so it's cleansed data. So we're not managing multiple databases through various printing technologies, because ultimately there's inkjet coders and labelling printers on production lines.
Yeah, okay, so what happens next?
Yeah, so if we just show you here, so we can start a production run here. Here we're showing IDSnet with our multiple devices connected. The TT5 is our Lynx thermal printer, which is a primary printer, and the label printer applicator is the secondary carton label. And if I just run a carton through here, and we'll show you the technology putting a label on a box.
Absolutely.
So what you'll see here is the label going onto the front and side of the carton. And that's basically it. I mean, we're making sure that the product that's gone into that box with the date code matches the label, and making sure that when the product gets to the Woolworths and Coles DCs, that it's within day and it's the correct product, so there's no truck turning around.
Yes, no truck turning around, no wasted costs.
That's it.
a lot of peace of mind.
Most definitely, and that's what a lot of our technology, we're helping our customers really innovate and making sure that their production line runs smoothly, so without any waste or any downtime.
Fantastic. Look, Matt, thank you so much for your time today. Best of luck for the rest of the show.
Thank you.
The Matthews stand is really impressive. So, I hope it goes well.
Yeah, great. It's been a fantastic show, and we look forward to seeing all of our customers on the stand over the next couple of days.
Absolutely. Thanks.